With aging, our father, like other older people, are also prone to develop many diseases like hypertension, diabetes, osteoporosis, arthritis, and cancer. On the occasion of Father's Day, I would like to tell you about prostate cancer. Let us join hand in raising awareness about prostate cancer. Prostate is also called male gland, which is about walnut size present below urinary bladder inside body of every male only. When cancer develop in this gland, it is called prostate cancer. Today I will discuss about few myths about prostate cancer, like enlargement in prostate gland means cancer. No, this is true that with aging, all of us will have enlarged prostate gland, but this is not cancer. It is called benign prostate hypertrophy, which can be cured by taking special tablets or capsules that block alpha receptor present in prostate gland. In fact, only 1 out of 10 enlarged prostate gland are due to prostate cancer. Second myth is prostate cancer only occurs in older male. It is true, 7 out of 10 cases are detected in above 65 year of age, but with rising awareness about prostate cancer, 3 out of 10 people are now detected at young age also. The third myth is all cases of prostate cancer will require treatment. No. In fact, only few cases which are detected in advanced stage are required treatment. In India, it is unfortunate that case mostly detected in advanced stage. But if we educate people about prostate cancer, then we can detect these disease in early stage. And in early stage, they require active surveillance. That means regular monitoring with distal rectal examination, PSA, and repeated biopsy. The third, in fact, fourth myth is the prostate cancer and treatment will about diminish your sexual activity. This is true in some cases where nerve responsible for erection of penis get damaged due to advanced disease or maybe temporarily become weak due to treatment, but it can be very well controlled in most of cases by taking some medication like Viagra or Cialis. The fifth myth is high PSA score means prostate cancer. No. In fact, increased PSA can be due to prostate cancer or inflammation in prostate gland also. For confirmation, patient has to consult oncologist or urologist. He will examine you and will do distal rectal examination and multiparametric MRI. If these investigations shows some doubtful finding, then interventional radiologist will take a very small piece of tissue from prostate gland. This procedure is called biopsy. Later on, pathologist will examine this tissue under microscope, and if he or she see cancer cells in prostate tissue, then only diagnosis of prostate cancer is made. Sixth myth is removal of prostate gland is only treatment. I will say big no. Today, medical science is so advanced that only selected patients require surgery and chemotherapy. Now, most of cases can be treated by injections or oral hormonal tablets along with radiation therapy. Seventh myth is radiation therapy is unsafe and require 2-month treatment. Again, big no. Rather, I would like to say that radiation therapy is very safe. painless treatment. You don't require any admission or surgery. Most important, it is OPD treatment one required to come daily in hospital and lay down for 10 to 15 minutes in a machine called linear accelerator. Nowadays, advanced radiation therapy machines and advanced radiotherapy techniques like IMRT, IGRT can complete full course of radiation therapy in 5 weeks. In fact, we able to complete full radiation therapy in 1 week by a special technique called SBRT. Eighth myth is that SBRT can be done in any center. No, SBRT can be done in selected centers which are equipped with linear accelerator under radiation oncologist who is trained to perform SBRT. I am sure with this information you are going to serve better to your loved one as well as many relatives or fathers of your friends. Thank you. Happy Father's Day.